The crypto gaming industry is changing rapidly with Hamster Kombat at the forefront right now and many more updates coming up. In this very video, I'll be talking about that very little message you have on your gaming app where you see cheating. Okay, so that very important update in this very video plus airdrop allocation. I'll be talking about that and also listing date, many more in this very video. So watch this video right now to the very end. And if you are new to this very channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel I discuss everything about crypto, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more crypto updates like this one, and also check the channel for other crypto content and educational videos. Hamster Kombat is one of the game that is on the Ton blockchain right now, and the Ton space is quickly evolving with this Web3 gaming industry. One very important update you need to pay attention to is that little new bag that you see pop up on your gaming app that talks about cheating, and we all know that cheating is very bad and consider a very important red flag. So if you are involved in that, please pay attention to this very video right now. You need to stop cheating, okay? And Hamster is giving you that friendly warning because you may be banned, okay, if you continue cheating on the platform. And this is very crucial to all of us playing the game right now, because that can be a red line for you to continue in this very airdrop. So don't play around with cheating before you'll be pushed out from this very game. So keep the game clean. That's the most important thing. And then keep it rolling, continue tapping, and you will get the airdrop definitely. There is no need for you to cheat, okay? And avoid any means of cheating. Now, the token allocation, or we call the airdrop allocation, is very important. Just about 17 days from now, let's say 17 days countdown, and those that are eligible will be getting this token. And it is very important that the token allocation is based on a lot of number of factors which we need to pay attention to. And don't just only consider the number of coins you have right now. It's not just about that. We are looking at a variety of factors, which number one on the list is your referrer. This is also very important, so that you consider your referrer important, because if your referrer is not active, it's probably send a sign or signal that your referrer are bots. Okay, so you have to encourage your referrers to also keep mining. This is very important, and ensure that your referrers are real, they are not bots, and you will also get the token allocation or the airdrop allocation. And another important thing we need to pay attention to is the profit per hour. So consider this a passive income and take it very seriously. The third thing here is your PPH, and this is a very important key to take into consideration. So these are very important Hamster Kombat keys, okay? I know that their airdrop allocation will vary from a number of range of factors, but these are also three important ones that you must have to put into consideration. So here are some red flags that you need to pay attention to in this very airdrop, as well as we await that very listing date on the 26th of this very month of September 2024. And these red flags are very important, so that it keeps you from getting banned on this very gaming platform. And number one is your friends. Like I talked about earlier, ensure that your friends are active, because if they are inactive, it also shows a sign that they are bots, okay? So encourage them to keep tapping, and from there Hamster Kombat will know that you have legit real friends and not bots. Another important thing you also need to put into consideration is your level. Ensure your level is not stagnant, okay? Ensure there is this migration in your level from one level to another. This is also very important, so that it does not mean that you are also a bot. Now, another important factor that is also maybe a red flag is your keys. Keys are important. Don't get too many keys without participating in the puzzles. Okay, so there is no need for you getting keys without participating in the puzzle. Ensure that if you get keys, participate in the puzzle. No matter how hard it is, just try as much as you can to participate. This also shows Hamster Kombat that you are not a bot. And lastly, which can be a red flag here, is don't use bots. Okay, if you use bot, this can be a game over for you. Okay, this airdrop is going to be very, very big. I am actually looking at it as one of the big airdrop in this very crypto space. So don't use bot. Be genuine, stay put, and stay simple. Just be very, very clean about this Hamster Kombat. And one other thing you need to do is to log in daily. So daily login and tapping, getting those free keys are very, very important right now on the Hamster Kombat game. And this update, you need to take it very serious so that when the date of listing or the airdrop allocation comes, you will not be found wanting in any area or the other, so that that very airdrop for all the job you've been doing all this while will be allocated to you accordingly. So take it very, very serious, guys, and show up every day, even if you find it very, very difficult to solve the puzzles. Just ensure that you show up and perform your tasks, continue tapping as well, which is also very, very important. And this tapping shows Hamster Kombat that you are a real user. One of the things you need to do is to use the boost features to boost your energy level to get a refill. Stay consistent in tapping and stay consistent in all the activities on the Hamster Kombat platform. Another important update that you need to pay attention to is the listing date. The listing date is very, very important. I believe that you've already marked 26th of this month of September 2024 on your calendar right now, because that is a listing date. Now, very importantly, this listing date may change. Okay, there is that possibility that it can be shifted forward. Okay, and this possibility is not something that we can do without, although Hamster Kombat have not changed the listing date. But as we approach, there may be that change that can occur. It's a possibility. I am not saying they've changed the date. Listen very, very attentively. But if they do, just know that Hamster Kombat is going to be listed on the exchange very, very soon. So 26 September is still the listing date for Hamster Kombat. Mark that in your calendar. And one important thing you need to do is to avoid the temptation of cutting corners, because Hamster is very, very serious and taking these cheaters away from their platform seriously. Avoid the temptation of cutting corners, because Hamster is very, very serious with those that want to cut corners and cheat on the platform. Please avoid this by all means. Don't cheat on the platform. And I believe you don't want to be caught in the net of that cheating habit, and avoid it seriously. Just be genuine, be active, continue tapping, and keep the game going. Don't try to manipulate the system. This is a already designed algorithm, and as a developer, I can tell you that you can outsmart the algorithm. This is very important right now, and the gaming industry is changing drastically, especially with the open network term. If you look at this very channel, price is coming back to the downside on this very downward movement. We see Bitcoin make this very significant move to the downside in the past few weeks at this very area, where market dropped into the 48 and 49k dollars at this very point. Many are expecting that we have a drop from here all the way to the downside and even below this level of 49k. This is not my expectation right now for Bitcoin. I am expecting that we have a very dull momentum market coming back to the downside, and we're going to see that significant move this very month and approaching next month. And one important key thing that is going to happen this very week that I need to pay attention to is the US CPI data. That CPI data is going to make this very chart move to the upside. And one important thing is that the market have already come back all the way downward, and market don't move down all the time. It will definitely have a correction and before coming back down again. So what I am expecting right now is a correction to the upside. So expect the market to move upward very soon, okay? Immediately after the CPI or before the day of the CPI this very week of trading. This is what I am now expecting on the Bitcoin 1-day chart. And very importantly, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, this indicator have been on the oversold condition at this very point. This is a very important warning that the market is about to move all the way to the upside. So if you are in a short position, you better think twice, because market is about to take off all the way to the upside for a long position. This is my stake right now on this very price analysis. Market is going to from here move to the upside, and if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, the blue line and the orange line have crossed each other at this very point right here. The next thing I am waiting for right now is a cross above this very level of 20% line on the oversold condition right now. So once we see this stochastic RSI, the blue line and the orange line begin to move out of this oversold condition, then it is very clear that this market is going to move upward. This is very important right now, guys. Please pay attention to this and apply this in your strategy. What this means is, if you are in a short position all the way from this very area to the downside, you better think twice to take profit right now and wait for the market to begin to move up. Please pay attention to all of this. Most importantly in this video is Hamster Kombat cheating update, and also airdrop allocation, and most importantly the listing date. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video right now, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more crypto updates like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. You can check the description of this video right now and you join my Telegram group to get more updates like this one, and I will see you in the next video.